So I've just heard that there's a new update for the free, and they say it's a big one. So we'll see if it's true. So we go into About, and we'll do aircraft firmware update. So make sure that the internet's on. So we just go turn the internet on. Okay, so got my internet on now. Now check for update. New firmware available. Now I did hear that there's quite a lot on this one. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to bring me, I've got the little fan with me. I'm going to turn on my fan. Going to have it going inside that motor there. So you are going to hear a bit of noise. So from what I could see on this new update, there is added support for focus track, quick shots, droney, rocket, circle, helix, the boomerang. Panorama in portrait mode requires the DJI Fly app, so I've got to check the Fly app as well later on. Optimize anti-interference ability and transmission distance of the image transmit. God, that's a mouthful, isn't it, eh? Added a 2-second option to interval time setting when using hyperlapse after takeoff. Requires, you have to check the Fly app as well. Like I just said, increased stability of videos when using hyperlapse. So obviously hyperlapse is getting a lot of stuff. And we've got increased camera speed when taking photographs, optimized image quality of recordings at night in D-Cine-like, fixed issues. The videos recorded in some scenarios have been flickering, optimized. So we've got a few things on there as well. Added USB mode when the aircraft is connected to the computer, enabled, and requires yet again. So we're still carrying on, got quite a bit here. Added support obviously for the Mavic 3, and fix some minor bugs. So obviously it's an important update, and they will be doing this for the next couple of weeks. There's always going to be some problems. Okay, we also got the remote controller as well. So looks like that's been installed now with remote controller update as well. So what I'm going to do, as always, just check. So I'm just going to go the 3 dots at the top there about. I've got the new update on the aircraft, but I'll just make sure. Sometimes it just didn't want to do it. So firmware all updated. So I've done the new update. So that took just over 20 minutes to do. So that's why I got the fan on. Anyway, what I'm going to do now later on, I'm going to go out later on and see if the drone has any problems. But I'll let you know tomorrow if there is. But the updates have been done. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you later.